Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Guys, welcome back to my channel Crochet Patrons. As I bring ideas about crochet projects to you. In today's video, there's something really exciting. These are tote bags. There are so many variety in bags, but a tote bag is really useful thing to use in your daily routine. A tote bag is an incredible useful accessory. It's a simple product with huge size. In the most basic terms, a tote bag is defined as a mid-large size bag which has two parallel handles. Tote bags are usually unfastened at the top and are bigger than most other handbags. In crochet art, you can make tote bag with multiple colors and patterns. As you can see in the video, there are so many ideas you can make, and they are really easy by making by crochet art. You can have ideas from my video. Tote bag is one of the very few bags which manages the combine practically with style so effortlessly. With these qualities at the center of its design, a tote bag is a highly versatile product which can be used for a number of purposes. Tote bags are commonly used for carrying shopping. The tote bag's bigger size makes it perfect for transporting essentials and for providing a comfortable and reusable alternative to the plastic shopping bags. Because of their spacious capacity, tote bags also make fantastic work bags, which look smart yet are able to hold everyday essentials. The stylish nature of tote bag means they may have used as a simple fashion accessory which can be worn casually or used make a statement on more formal occasions. When we handcraft our tote bags using high quality yarn in crochet art to create a product which is both practical and good looking, they are really good because they have a good space. This means you have the space to carry your shopping home and transport your laptop with the work with ease with style in mind. In this video, tote bags are available in a range of colors and patterns from understated pastel and bold colors. There are so many examples featured in this video. The tote bag didn't become an omnipresent accessory overnight. Over recent decades, however, it has become a go-to bag for so many people, largely because of the ease and functional way it allows for self-expressions. Heading to school or college, tote bags are a great place to keep your books on the way to class. Similarly, the standard tote size will fit in a laptop or notes you need for important meetings at work. Whatever the purpose, you can buy and make by crochet art these tote bags in different colors and design variations to match your personal style. Tote bags are great for day trip to the beach as a way of storing all your beach essentials such as your towel and sunscreen. You can buy these kind of bag from online, or you can make by crochet art these designs with the different kind of crochet patterns such as rope to start your new beach BFF. If you have make some cute and colorful totes but have no idea what to do with them, consider utilizing them as a home storage. Hang them on the hooks in the bathroom or way of keeping your toiletries all together. Alternatively, place them on your office shelf to hold all your stationeries. Either way, tote bags are roomy. so they are particularly useful when it comes to storing possessions around the house. To take your family on a quick picnic in a park, but leave your big chunky basket at home. Enter the tote bag. If you invest in one the large enough, you can fit all the sort of food and drinks item in there. You can even use the smaller version as a lunch bag for work or school. For days where you just want to take a couple of essentials to the gym instead of full blown duffel bag, the tote bag is an ideal alternative. It's also wonderful for holding your towel and water if you are heading to an exercise class or going hiking. Either way, rest assured you will be able to find tote just as colorful as your workout gear. If you are about to go away from the weekend and need a trusty, spacious overnight bag, then your tote is totally there for you. In this case, the bigger the size, the better. It will enable to pick the maximum amount of items for all your travel needs. Tote bags are a good way of storing your dirty laundry under you get the chance to wash it. Invest in a small tote to serve the perfect laundry companion while you are traveling. Otherwise, grab a large version of to keep everything in one place around the house. If you are a particularly creative person and you like to knitting or doing craft, a tote bag can easily hold all your equipment and keep it safe in between uses. Should you feel inclined, you could even produce the tote bag yourself by crochet art. These bags can be used for multiple purposes and occasions. They also come in abundance of varied design. Whether you buy a couple of make them yourself, thanks to their reusable nature, they will last here for years and years to come. When it comes to styling, the bag what is an ideal piece to wear this season. I personally totally in love with tote bags in today's post. That's why I shared these kind of bags. What is so special about this bag anyway? Well, the classic tote comes in different colors, look, shape and designs. Some ladies say this bag is most boring one, but thanks to the new fashion, everything has changed. It's a perfect way how you can update your look. The all-carrying tote bags will fit your classic outfit as well as cocktail look. The classic tote come with the big and slouchy look, two handles and no closing zipper. Gorgeous look. I love every detail of these bags. And so if you're wearing a blush semi-sheer long shirt, the outfit is updated with a stunning brown leather tote bag. But in crochet art, there are so many other ideas you can make the perfect bag for your any kind of outfit. In journal, tote bag come with fewer pockets and compartment than a purse. Yet tote bags have wide openings and are very deep so can fit much more into them. Tote bag offer the user a lot of ease of use. You won't have to spend as much time opening and closing compartment. Instead, you can find what you want simply by sticking your hand into your bag. You can get so many ideas of varieties of and designs of tote bags which will work best for you. Consider your personal sense of style. Look at your existing favorite outfits to get a sense of the color and textures you would like to wear. So guys, in this video I just gave you full idea of tote bags which can just enhance your style. I hope you liked the video and you liked the ideas in this video. If you want to see more ideas, just tell me in comments, and just subscribe to my channel so that I can bring more information about crochet arts and style. Till then, bye bye.